Okay. This is Silly Sludge. It used to say Silly Sludge. Okay.
But
That's Silly Sludge. Okay. This is my Silly Sludge thing. You can do like lots and lots with it. So
here's my Silly Sludge.
I've got my fork and my bowl. You go with my pan.
No. It already has my Silly Sludge in it.
Never mind. We cannot do the pan. So let me get the grain out. Put it in there. That is my pan.
No, it isn't. I'm the one that got it out.
Be quiet. We don't want anyone to notice our business. Okay. So this is the Silly Sludge. Once I made a fish with it. So I'm going to put this right there and see if it works. I know. Okay, I can't do that. So there. Here is the Silly Sludge. Here is that. You can roll it up. Right now, it looks like a croissant, really. If you look at it.
Oh, yeah. It does look like a croissant.
Or if you go this way, it looks like a hot dog. Just me kind of like see how.
Now go back.
Okay. Sorry, Hannah was being mean. It is 1 minute. Sorry, it's more than 1 minute. Sorry about that. You can like really play with it. Don't eat it, please. And then like you could make like fishes or anything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in there. Sorry, it's already been 2 minutes. And if it's like all the way like if it looks like just like if it looks like a jar of black stuff, then that means it it is like really good. And if it's just like who cares, like if it like looks like this, then it's not as good. So